Namaskar, this is Triman Sehgal. You can see the BMC people have not picked up the waste because I work for these children. So I segregate the waste, the home waste, the plastic, everything, and these are the children's waste, which can be composted. But they have not been picking up the waste. So you can see out here. And you can see this area, this green area we have created since the lockdown time, because there used to be illegal parking and all this. But you see the BMC people don't clean it, and I don't have a helper. You see, this is they have taken the neighbors, the tenants, the servants, the BMC people, all these people, corrupt to the core. You can see they don't clean out here, treating us like untouchables. Spitting on my face, I repeat, spitting on my face. Doing illegal parking. If I say something, they misbehave. This is a home gate which we have given on rent. The tenant, Lala Maheshwari, his employee Das, he threatened me. He literally threatened me that if I come out of our home, I'll be beaten. Constantly in this water cone, alcohol bottles were thrown by the neighbors, Bapi Vangraj, Patanjali Mega Store, by the tenants. By the neighbors. We are being treated like untouchables, born and brought up here. I am the daughter of Mohinder Singh. I am the granddaughter of Mohinder Singh, Chief Fire Officer of Orissa. My father, Professor, mother, a retired Joint Director in Health Department. They have these neighbors, tenants, these servants, a constant defamation, character assassination, and all this. They have made me a destitute. You see, when I come out of our home gate, this tenant, this person, this Lambu, he constantly follows me. If I come out, he'll follow. He'll go out when I'm here. You can see this. And this, the tenant Lala Maheshwari's employee Das, he threatened me and outraged my modesty. The day he did this, two children whom I feed, the white good boy and others, they were poisoned, and those children whom I used to feed, they have been picked up by the BMC officials out here. Kali and other children whom I feed, they have been picked up. And such kind of neighbors, person who does good work, they laugh, because we humans have been polluting Mother Earth, polluting water, soil, air, everything, and it is our duty to nurture all life in nature. So we, as an example to follow, we have kept water, this small bucket for small children, this big for big animals, and here we have created greenery since the lockdown. And the BMC people, they don't do. I don't have a helper. I'll personally do the cleaning now. This greenery in this locality, there's no greenery out here. So we have created a green space out here where at least there is some kind of relief from this pollution. So this is the kind of treatment we are getting for doing good work. You can see alcohol bottles. You can see, and people will come and urinate out here. This is constant mental harassment, discrimination to the core, by defamation, character assassination. To make a person, they have already made me a destitute. What is the pain to be a destitute? I understand very well. They have taken my support of my family, friends, loved ones, everyone, constantly following me, threatening to poison my children. This is cruelty to the core. To the core. You can see. I have totally become numb. My child whom I have adopted inside a home, she was poisoned by the helpline people, by the doctors whom we depend, by the veterinary doctor and the attendant. My child was poisoned. I have adopted so many community animals. I have been feeding since last 20 years. Taking care of the welfare, everything in this locality. Selflessly, with love, with no selfish interest. I am no NGO, nothing. Late in the night. And because of these children, I became a community welfare worker. And this is the treatment I'm getting. Today my mother is not here, my brother is not here, they threatened my loved ones also. I don't have any support, nothing. What is this? This is violence and cruelty to the core. You can see this drain. This has not been repaired since last 1 year. Since last 1 year, it's not been repaired. I've been sending videos to the BMC commissioner, previous BMC commissioner, now he's the collector, Rajesh Paravekar Patil. He is now the collector. I've been sending him a video, nothing has been done. And to the present commissioner, BMC commissioner, nothing has been done. The neighbors have been constantly burning garden waste, burning crackers on the road. Mapi Mangaraj's daughter has been burning crackers on the road late in the night. No fear of law, nothing. They are bloody local, they are gundas. And if I raise the voice, they poison my children. They have done defamation of my mother. Mentally harassed my brother. Shown pornographic, I repeat, shown for pornographic videos through the servants whom we trusted. Through the servants, they have poisoned my children. Mentally harassed me to the core. So that you see, constant mental harassment, a person will lose, will become depressed or lose mental balance, everything. So that they can grab a home, work, everything. My grandparents and my parents have made the home with their hard-earned money, and myself in the last 20 years, I'm highly educated. I put all my work, my tapas in Patanjali Yoga Sutra through tapas, swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhan. Tapas, selfless service with love. Swadhyay, looking within to surrender everything. Nothing is yours, to surrender oneself to the divine. Swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhan, to surrender oneself to the divine, everything. And being born as a Sikh in a holy scripture, it is Naam, Simran, one chakna with these children, because they are pure and divine at heart. They have no one. They cannot speak for themselves. Do they pollute Mother Earth? Huh? I have kept water, I have put greenery out here. Any community welfare issue, I have been reporting to the respective authorities. The corporator out here is to the core corrupt, BJD, Congress people, core to the corrupt. So many people, daughters and sons, they have made destitute. Grab their home, everything, by defamation and all. You can see this Uma Naik has been constantly throwing garden waste. The BMC doesn't do anything. This is corruption, bribe, and burning garden waste. Nothing. I want justice for these children. The children whom I feed here were picked up, and in the locality they have just given birth to little ones, 2 days, 3 days, little ones. They are picked up without my knowledge. How come? And the neighbors out here, bloody they don't have a thing to bloody work. Nothing to do. This Patanjali mega store, that house doesn't belong to that Kumuti person, it belongs to Padi. Constantly following me. How they have sabotaged their home to sabotage they have sabotaged our home, our personal life. Everything is being, our personal life totally is being followed. Some recording or something. I can't sit with my loved ones, my mother, my brother. How we communicate, we sit together. How dare? Everything has been sabotaged. And these NGOs, who so-called NGOs like Purvi Patra, nothing. Just working for this political agenda. If they really cared for these children, why didn't they prevent all these cruelty? Why did this issue come up? So they have made, in the name of animal welfare, they have made it a career, minting money. The only person who are individual people who are putting their own money, doing feeding, being an example for others to follow. And that I have done selflessly because seeing all the corruption. You see, they have destroyed this plant. because this is a medicinal plant for fever and all. Since lockdown we had put something, they have put chemical or something, one portion has dried. I never touch the other part because people take the leaves and all. The neighbors, the tenants and those with bad intention, they will not do anything good, but they will not allow other. Our home, I repeat, our home, everything. My teacher, my guru, Shri B.K. Sayangar, through his life, through his work, has nurtured that love, peace, health, happiness, justice for all life in nature. My parents, my teachers, these children of God with their pure unconditional love, everything in these children's name, a Gurdwara in their name. I don't know, I will live, I may die, I may live, whatever. They have already killed me from within, but this is everything in their name, in Mother Nature and these children's name, and those who work selflessly with love for these children. Those on the path of Guruji who have love for all life in nature, for these children, everything in their name. They have made me a destitute. Taken away all my family, friends, loved ones. Right to freedom, dignity, community, everything. Today my mother and brother are not here. 2 days back my child was poisoned by the helpline people. The PFA Jeevan has taken contract. What kind of people has he stayed? How dare they question about our home? How dare they question about our home? Our home belongs to us. This is our hard-earned money, not any thieves, these neighbors or these Patanjali, any thief like Patanjali Mega Store, Bapi Mangraj or Uma Nayak, or backside of my grandparents' home who harassed my grandparents. I seek justice. I want those children who were picked up from here, I want them back. And in the name of sterilization, they are killing these children. They are not allowing those who want to see to go and visit that place also. In the name of helpline, they are minting money. Both the BMC commissioner, the people, they are earning money in the name of tenders. Sir, this is, people need to adopt community animals because we have taken their right to life by polluting Mother Earth. Planet Earth belongs to all life in nature, not only humans. So we need to adopt them, give them clean water to drink, a loving home and family, free from pollution. That is why greenery for these children. And how dare they pick my children up from here without my knowledge? Nothing. These tenants, these neighbors have been doing. They have been destroying the grass out here. Gives greenery and coolness. They have been destroying. They have not been picking up the waste out here. You can see. You can see. So this is torture. This is discrimination. This is violence, torture, taking away all the support. You see, I seek justice. You see.